Hey everybody, Jonathan Carr here, Weather NJ. Saturday night, November 9th. I hope you're having a great weekend. Figured I'd dust the green screen equipment off with a dry run video like this one. I will be making more videos this winter and going forward. So let's dive right in. What you see here is the Earth wind map showing the surface wind patterns. Way out in the Atlantic here is the cold front that was pushed through this past Thursday evening by this high pressure off Nova Scotia. And if we go a little bit closer to New Jersey, we can already see some southwest flow on the backside of this high. And as far as tonight goes, it's not enough south flow to warm things up. We're still going to be very cold tonight because we have light winds and clear skies. And those are the ideal conditions for radiational cooling. So if your automated forecast app or widget is saying a low of 32, you're probably already in the high 20s, so expect overnight lows to bust a few degrees low this evening. But for tomorrow, this south flow is going to warm things up. So tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday, until the rain arrives in the afternoon, we're going to be milder. Upper level guidance, and this is from tropicaltidbits.com. You can see the trough that's in place right now, very cold air, and then we moderate with a flat zonal pattern. But here's a trough that comes in next week, or this coming week, sorry. Again, Tuesday night through about Thursday morning. Very cold air, colder than it's been the last few days. And we can look at 850 millibar temperatures to better illustrate that. 850 is it's about 5,000 feet above the surface. So it's not, I'm not showing you what it's going to be on the surface. It's 5,000 feet above the surface, but it does trickle down to the surface. So this is our cold departing. Again, we moderate through about Tuesday, and then here comes that air. That's very cold air. 15, 20 degrees Celsius below. That's some very cold air aloft. It's a very thin atmosphere, low upper level heights as indicated here. At the surface, we have a weak wave that's going to traverse the Arctic front. This is an Arctic high. I'll rock back and forth a little bit so you can see it coming out of Canada. It dives down all the way to Texas, right? When this low gets here. So this is anticyclonic and this is cyclonic forces. So it's just nothing but northwest force pushing down cold air. But this low again is very weak. It is not a strong storm at all. 10 millibars, that's weak sauce, but it is a strung out swath of precipitation along that Arctic front. We'll look at the NAM model. This is the low pressure system. We'll rock back a little bit here. So again, here's your Arctic front moving in from the northwest. Here's that very weak low. And by Tuesday, let's see, 15Z, so that is 7 a.m. So pretty much Tuesday afternoon through early Tuesday evening is what I'm watching for regarding the precipitation that will precede this Arctic front. And once this low gets out here near tip of Long Island, basically just east of New Jersey, cyclonic flow will be north, so the temperatures will crash behind it. And I think temperatures are going to crash a little faster with this Tuesday system than they did on Thursday, meaning that it should end as snow for more areas than just the northwest New Jersey elevations. We'll probably see rain ending as snow as far southeast as the Turnpike, and possibly even a little bit further to the southeast than that. But the NAM has decent temperature crash here. That's a couple hours of ending snowfall. Now, I don't think we're going to see any significant accumulations because the ground will be wet and you'll lose a lot of that initial accumulation to that, and then the precipitation shuts off rather quickly. It's out of here by like sunset on Tuesday. So it might be a little bit of a hairy Tuesday evening commute, rush hour commute. But then we're going to clear out and be super cold for Tuesday night. And this is the Euro from True Weather, and just showing you the this solid blue line right here off the coast of New Jersey. That's the line of freezing at 850 millibars, so 5,000 feet up. You might still have the surface in southeast Jersey here above freezing or close to freezing, but all the air above it will be below freezing. So chances are we're going to see rain ending as snow but struggling to accumulate. So we have a very active pattern. Let me just go back to the GFS and run it out to the end. I know it's fantasy range, so we shouldn't take anything verbatim here. But look at this wave of storms. 1, 2, 3, 4. This fifth one is the Friday signal that I was watching. It's going to miss to our south. But we have to watch all of these systems as they roll through here, because if there's adequate cold, we could be dealing with a snow system. This only goes out to November 25th. This is like the coldest and most active November I think I've ever seen heading into a winter. And we are expecting above average snowfall for this winter, especially South Jersey and Southeast New Jersey. We're expecting a lot of these coastal systems to get involved. Get out into late December and January, February. If you have these coastal systems rolling through, that's when areas southeast of the turnpike benefit from the snowfall, not just the people northwest of the turnpike. So we got an interesting winter coming up. So again, this is a dry run video here. I threw this together in a few minutes. More videos to come throughout this winter. Let me know if anything's off audio-wise, visual-wise. Your feedback is appreciated. But other than that, have a great rest of your weekend, and please be safe.